Hello and welcome to E-Prime. This evening I am Daedran. Munga on a Rebel on Friday released his third studio album, Conundrum. The artist celebrated with a launch event in Kingston.
Batman style is a Batman style. I win a life for Tigan style. I get my choppy line to my lifestyle. English, African style. What's your style? Shit in the kitchen, you're whipping up a stir fry. Never be bad, make you burn fry to be. Look out, when you turn down. Hey, you've been done. I got me down with the footprint. Young them look home my footstep. I wanna talk to you, I want put here. No money, no girls, good day. I want style, tell me your quarter. I want style, talk about logo.
Munga shared with E-Prime on the name choice and the track selections for this new album.
The title came from, and even the tracks came from Munga giving a more in-depth perspective on social commentary topics as requested by fans. As you know, The Prior was one of my most monumental songs, one of my most touching songs. People requested more songs like that. It can't be replicated, but the topic can be expounded on. So songs like Expectation, songs like Heart Clean, songs like Perspective, they speak on social commentary topics, heartfelt matters, you know.
Conundrum is executively produced by Munga himself and features 13 tracks and includes a remastered version of his massive hit Prayer by Don Carleone Records. Other producers include Luigi Society and Diego Don Music. Now Naomi Cohen has teamed up with her dad Tommy Cohen for a new single titled Kingston Traffic. The track, arranged by veteran producer Cleveland Brownie and produced by Tommy, addresses the myriad of challenges that are congesting the human race in the plight for a better life. Take a listen.
Don't let them run you over. Stand up and fight back like a soldier. Distract your vision with them skyscrapers. Oh yeah, first in line to reach the border. I want you. So make the singer tell you Kingston traffic start out early, else you're not gonna make it. Nobody fake it. Kingston traffic, every man for himself. Water more than flour, we beat the rush hour.
This is Naomi's first official collab with her music producer father. Now last Christmas, they did a refreshed version of her mom's single, Santa Claus Do You Ever Come to the Ghetto, where she worked with both parents. Now Naomi says that Kingston Traffic is dear to her heart. Naomi is known for her hit songs such as Paradise, Plum, Climbing, and Energy. On to the international scene, where rapper Nicki Minaj has made history on the US Billboard Top 100 chart with her single Super Freaky Girl. According to Billboard, Super Freaky Girl was streamed 21 million times last week and debuted #1 on the Billboard Hot 100. This makes Nicki the first solo female rapper to top the charts, since Lauryn Hill did the same with her single Do Up That Thing back in 1998. Go Nicki, girl power. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime. Thank you for watching.